Hey guys, it's Michael back at it again with another video. Okay, so today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I couldn't play Goat Simulator because it took too much space up for me. Sorry guys. I'll just comment down in the description other games that I could play. Okay guys. Okay, so I'll play. I just downloaded it, so it's just a tutorial, but I don't know how to play it. Okay guys, let's just go. I'm trying to get to about 30,000. Oh shoot, I wasn't sorry guys, I wasn't looking. I wasn't looking. I wasn't looking. That's why it didn't work. Okay guys, wait. Okay, let's go, mate. Let's go, mate. Put the volume down so that you can hear me. Okay, better. Comment down below if the audio is better. Subscribe to me if you like this video. If you like this video, like the video. I don't know what I just said there. Okay. I'm kind of new to YouTube, so that's why I don't know what to say really. So I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers. Please, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pass this person easily. Or not. I guess I wasn't looking. I'm gonna try to save up for the I'm trying to save up for this one. Oh, never mind. No. I'm trying to save up for this one. So, or should I save up for this one? I don't know, guys. Comment down below the next video if you want me to try to save up for this one. I could get this one, but I'm good. I'm gonna try to get this one too. I don't know about her. I've gotten this one. I've gotten this one. No, I haven't gotten these two. I have got this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, all of these, except for this one. And because I didn't like this one either. Or this one. That one. Those are just boring. So, my videos can be longer than 15 minutes, guys. So it's going to be about 13 minutes every video. Why do I keep on dying? I'm good at this game. What am I doing? Let me try to pass my own high score. That's easy to pass right there, guys. It's because I'm not used to playing on my phone. I'm used to just playing on my sister's tablet. So if you saw my first YouTube video, that one was about NBA Live Mobile. My second video was Geometry Dash World. And now I'm making this. I was gonna make a Goat Simulator one, but I couldn't though. So sorry guys. I'm gonna try to get about 20. I'll do 20,000. I'll try to get to 20,000 in this episode. Tell me if I should have more than one episode for should this be like episodes, or should I just leave this one episode like mini games, like just playing them? And if you want to, I could play them again and again. Like I could have episodes like 1, 2, 3, 4, how many ever you want. But I have to get like about. If you want me to play Subway Surfers again, give me 20 likes. 20 likes.
Give her like 0 likes, okay? Oh.
My sister's over here being annoying because she's mad at me. Ooh, I'm gonna tell mommy. See how easy that was, guys? Pass all of these. I'm gonna pass all of these, boy. Too easy. The same. Easy. Easy peasy. For right now, I'm gonna go for yo no sé. I'm gonna go for, let's see, 50, 100, 5,000. I should have got that. But like always, I always skip the important stuff. Guys, I used to have a YouTube channel, but then I deleted all the videos because they were boring. It was about, what is it called? It was about Angry Birds. Yeah, it was about Angry Birds, but I didn't like it. If you want me to start doing vlogs and stuff, starting in next week, cause on Saturdays only, I could do it on Saturdays. So if you want me to vlog, I could vlog, but I could only do it on Saturday because that's my only free day of the week. I have school Monday through Friday. Well, not today, but you know what I mean. I have school Monday through Friday. I have nothing on Saturday, so that's my free day. But then I have church on Sunday. It's every Sunday, guys, okay? So, or maybe when I don't go to church, I might be able to do some vlogs and stuff or play for you guys. Or I could just play games for you every day. But maybe not twice a day. Maybe one in the morning, maybe. If I wake up early, I might be able to do one about NBA Live again. But I'm not gonna put all that stuff on it, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what I was thinking. That was just my first video. Guys, try to get me to about 50 views, but 20 likes at least out of those 50 people. And 10 subscribers is my goal. If we're able to hit about 500 subscribers this year, I'm gonna be excited, guys. Thank you. And I'm gonna try to get up to let's see. For this year, my goal is 500, just 500 subscribers for this episode. I mean, for this year, I'm going for 500 subscribers, guys. So help me get up to that goal, guys. Okay. I think let's see. I did double upload today. This is gonna be my second upload in this day. I did an upload yesterday about Geometry Dash at nighttime. You could barely hear me, but I was talking because the AC was on, guys. So I'm sorry. And plus my sisters were sleeping, guys. I'm sorry. But now you could hear me better. Since it's okay, guys. I might actually do 4 for today, maybe 4 uploads today. Yeah, so my goal is let's see, 20 subscribers. If today we could get up to 10 subscribers, that'll be good too, guys. If we could get to 10 subscribers today, I'm gonna be happy, guys. And tell all your friends to come and watch my videos, okay, and subscribe. I'll be uploading more than this. It's not gonna be the same thing every day. It's just since I'm new to YouTube, I don't know what to play for you guys. So I'm about to, I'll leave this at 12 minutes. I'll stop at 12 minutes. When it hits 12 minutes, I'm gonna die, okay? And I'm gonna stop the video. Tell me, guys, if my videos are laggy, cause some of them might be laggy. Like the NBA Live one, it was just bad. I shouldn't have added the font. I mean, not the font, whatever it is. I should have just left it how it was. I'm gonna try to get to 500 coins and then I'm gonna stop the video. Right there. And I died. Okay, guys. Bye. Bye, guys.